2025 Chevrolet Silverado ZR2. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2 is Chevy's top-tier factory off-road truck, starting at approximately $70,995. It's built to conquer rough terrain without sacrificing everyday usability. It comes standard with a powerful V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. There's also an optional 3.0L Duramax turbo diesel option delivering 305 horsepower and a hefty 495 pound-feet of torque for drivers who prefer diesel performance. Every ZR2 features 4W. The chassis is refined with Multimatic DSSV spool valve shocks and specialized suspension offering 11.2 in of ground clearance. It rolls on 18-in wheels wrapped in 33-in off-road tires and includes skid plates, high-mount front steel bumper with a 31.8 degrees approach angle, and reinforced rock sliders. The ZR2's terrain mode selector offers specific settings like 4WD low, digital locking diff control, hill descent assist, and rock crawler mode T. Interior highlights include a sturdy cabin with a unique 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, digital driver display, leather-appointed seats with ventilation, wireless device charging, and Chevy Safety Assist features. Front parking sensors are now standard for 2025, along with new paint options including Cypress Gray and Riptide Blue metallic exclusive to ZR2. Off-road capability is strong, with payload nearing 1,650 pounds and towing up to around 9,600 lb. The diesel model accelerates 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.8 seconds, while the V8 hits it in around 5.7 seconds. Enthusiast feedback praises the ZR2 for its superior suspension, traction control, and nimble dimensions compared to competitors, making it effective both on dirt roads and mild trails. The ZR2 Bison Edition ups the off-road ante further with AEV-supplied steel bumpers, heavy-duty skid plates, rock sliders, bed-mounted spare mounts, and AEV-specific wheels and badging. In contrast to the Trail Boss model, the ZR2's higher-quality suspension setup is more capable both on road and off-road and offers better composure over rough terrain. Overall, the 2025 Silverado ZR2 offers near-legendary factory off-road readiness, blending high-end hardware like locking diffs and Multimatic DSSV shocks with conventional daily truck comfort. It stands out as a complete off-road engineered package that doubles as a capable daily driver and capable trail conqueror.